Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ernst here, and I'm going to be giving you guys a sight word test. Now there are two ways you can do this. You can either have you and your child go through the PowerPoint, or you can have your child watch this video and you mark off what they tell you. So parents, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of paper 1 through 20. Now this is the first section. Okay, so please make sure that you're keeping track of the paper. So get a piece of paper number 1 through 20, just like we did on our letter test, or just like an old school spelling test. Okay, so you're going to take that piece of paper, you have it labeled 1 through 20, and you're going to show it. You're going to have two options: show the video or do the PowerPoint. If you do the PowerPoint, you just click, present, and show your children the sight words. If they get it right, it's a check. If they get it wrong, it's an X. Okay? Please remember, this is vital that you do not help them. This is a test. This is what we use to let us know how your kids are doing on their sight words. Okay? So basically, as you can see here, this is the word the. So if I'm using the PowerPoint, I would present it to my child and I say, "What word is this, Stein?" And if he said the for this one, number 1, he would get a check because it's correct. If Stein says E, he would get an X because it's wrong for number 1. Now, if you feel more comfortable with this, doing the video, then you just put your child in front of the screen. I would suggest not having headphones on because you need to hear when I'm moving on. Okay, so you put the video on and you'd mark what your child says, okay? It's the same thing as a PowerPoint, it's just me guiding you through this, okay? Children, hi! I miss you guys so much, and I hope to see you soon. Now, your parents are going to be giving you this test, okay? It's going to be with my voice, and do your best. I know you guys are super, super smart, so let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 2, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 3, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 4, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 5, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you are needing more time. Number 6, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 7, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 8, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 9, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 10, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 11, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 12, what word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 13. What word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. Number 14. What word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. I'm so sorry, my dogs are trying to help us on our sight word test. Number 15. What word is this? What word is this? Guys, this is their test. We can't help them. Pause the video if you need more time. And number 16, this is the last one for this video. I'm sorry, you only needed up to 16. What word is this? What word is this? Pause the video if you need more time. All right, boys and girls, good job. There were actually only 16. I'm sorry, I miscounted. So you guys did an excellent job. I'm very proud of you. And we will do part 2 later this week, okay? Parents, please either email this test to your teacher, take a picture. You could include it, take a picture, message it to your teacher. This will be the easiest way to get it back to us. So thank you. Have a good day. Bye.